In this tutorial, we will show you how to create an augmented reality indoor navigation app without any programming skills. INDOAR, AR Indoor Navigation System. Let's get started. Once you're logged into your VIEWAR account, click on New App. This will lead you to the products we offer in our augmented reality ecosystem. With INDOAR, it is possible to transform any physical location into an immersive experience, so let's select this product. Fill in your project and company name. This will automatically generate an app ID that you can edit if you want. With your app ID, you can later start and test your app by using the VIEWAR app. Save the app information. Now it's time to add your 3D scan. Click on New Map. A 3D scan is essential to be able to use all the features INDOAR offers. Currently, you are able to import Matterport, Navis, and Leica scans to our system. For locations up to 200 square meters, you can use our VIEWAR Scanner app with an iPhone 12 Pro or iPad Pro 2020 or newer. No LiDAR device available? No problem. You can also buy or rent a professional scanning device from Matterport, Navis, or Leica, or you can request a scan service. You can find a link to all the scanning options in the description below. It's also possible to test the INDOAR admin interface with a demo scan, but be aware that you won't be able to test your app in your environment then. For this, you need a scan of your location. You got a Matterport scan already? Fine, so let's import it. Just log into your Matterport account. Choose the scan you want to import and name your imported map. Depending on the size of your imported scan, this might take a few minutes. Once your 3D scan is imported, you are ready to enhance it with augmented reality. Let's have a look at how you can interact with your imported scan in the viewport window. You can switch between 4 different view modes: top, first-person mode, panorama, or perspective mode. In the perspective mode, the map can be rotated and moved freely. You can also zoom in and out. Top mode shows the map from above. In the first-person mode, you can walk through the map with W, A, S, D, and the arrow buttons. With Q and E, you can move up and down. The viewport settings and the first 2 options of the menu are explained in the advanced tutorial. You can find the link to the tutorial below. On the left side, you can change the name, status, and default language of your map. Click on the More option icon to see additional options. But now it is time to create our first point of interest, also called POI. POIs can be used as navigation points or as digital information points within your location. Navigate to the location in your scan where you want to place a point of interest. Click on Add POI and place it in your scan. Now you can change the name of the POI and add all kinds of information like pictures, descriptions, videos, audio files, highlights, and many more. All this information can be inserted automatically via an API as well. You can also use AR tagging to add POIs faster to your map. This will also be explained in the advanced tutorial. Besides POIs, tours are one of the most powerful enhancements you can add to your location. For this, we need at least 1 further POI, so let's create a few more. After that, change to the Tours tab right next to the POI tab and click on Add Tours. Name the tour and add pictures and a description. Now link your POIs to your tour. The system now displays a navigation path that will update automatically when you change the order of the POIs in your tour. The order on the right will be the order in which you'll be guided through your tour. Since we got our first tour done, it is now time to style the UI of our app. To do so, change to the Styling tab. Here you can insert your logo and adjust the scale of it. Add and change the backgrounds. You can also customize the buttons of your app by selecting the desired color for buttons and text. This ensures that the app is in line with your corporate identity. On the top left corner, you can choose a preview device to see how the start screen will look like on mobile and tablet devices. Now you are ready to test your app. Go to the preview section. In order to test your created app, you need the VIEWAR app that you can get for free in the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Then either scan the QR code or type in the app ID to preview your project. Then use the search feature to start your created tour. Enjoy your customized AR indoor navigation app. Subscribe our channel to stay up to date. INDOAR, AR indoor navigation. Powered by VIEWAR.